Hey, Tiffany. Gonna wait until we get some more folks on so I can do the video on mock-ups. So let's see. Let me see if maybe if I post a status, we'll get them over here real fast. If I can type, right? Okay. Uh-oh. Alexa, turn off. Alexa, turn off. Okay. So I have to run out, so I can't wait much longer. But let me go ahead and show how I do my mock-ups. So mock-ups are pretty much giving an idea of what your product is going to look like without actually, creating the product. So instead of just making a whole bunch of mugs or making a whole bunch of t-shirts or just using material to make stuff that, someone will probably, that you just want to show the design or show the style. So that's how the mock-up comes into play, because you're able to still show your design without actually making a physical product until you actually have an order for it. So when I get ready to do my mock-ups, I do them in Canva. So I just go to Canva and log in to my account, and I don't have the pro version or anything. I just use the regular free account, and I go to home. Well, when you log in, you'll be at your home screen, and then I just create a new project. So create a new design, and I'll just click that I'm gonna do a poster. Just to get a blank screen to start working. So we'll wait on it to load up. Come on. Come on. Okay, so now I have my blank poster right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to uploads, because I've already uploaded my mock-ups into my Canva account. So I get my mock-ups from Etsy. And so I pretty much just purchase the ones that I like, the ones that I want to use to display my design on. I also shared some mock-ups in the group as well. So I have one for the coffee mug, and I have some for some t-shirts. So pretty much I go here and I just select the image that I want, and it's going to come over, and I'm going to size it this way and this way. Last time I did some mock-ups, I did the whole screen and it's a little bit too big. I'm going to show you it over here on my website, just a little sidebar. So I want to keep it as a thumbnail. So that was like a full size poster. But if you look at the ones that I did for my mugs, if it loads up, you can see that they're much smaller and a little bit more easy on the eyes. So I'm going to keep this design. Which one is it? This way. Okay. So once I have my mock-up loaded in, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to pick the SVG that I want to put on it. It can be a SVG or a PNG. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this. Hi. I'm going to go ahead and just select her. She's going to pop up over here, right? What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to size her, right? And place her just like if I was doing the actual design. So I'm going to place her right here in the middle, right? And if I wanted to add some writing to her or something like that, I can go over here and I can click text and a whole bunch of different options will come up for me to select different styles that I would want to, you know, if I want to put writing with this shirt. So you can just select one here. Once you find a font that you like, and you can just play around with the placement. Move her over a little bit. The only thing I don't like about Canva sometimes is just the delay in moving the items. Like, I don't want to do that. So you put that over there. You put that here, right? And you can click in here and you can change the writing to whatever you want it to be. You can just change the writing to be, you know, blessed or whatever it is your design is going to be. Now, once you do that, and you play around with it, you place it where you want to place it. Your image looks great. Your font looks great. And this is exactly the design that you want to display to your customers. Right? You go ahead and you go over here and you download it. And I download it as a PNG. So you download it as a PNG and you click download. They will do all this awesomeness here. And then that's it. So then you go down here and you click save. And I do save as so that I can put it in the folder that I want it in. And I save all my files on my USB and I have them in different folders. So I have my mug mockups, my men t-shirt mockups, and my women mockup. And that's just something that I just use to keep myself organized. So I would put it in here and I would put, you know, happy and blessed because that's what's on the shirt. And I would save it. And now that's my mock-up. So this right here is what I would display on my website, or if I want to post it on Instagram or something, this is what would, you know, this is the image that I would upload. And pretty much this is just saying, hey, if you want to order this shirt, this is what it would look like without me having to actually make the shirt. So that's all that a mock-up is. It's just an image displaying what the design or the product will look like without you actually having to make it. So you don't have to sit and make, you know, 100 shirts just so you can have a design to show. You can just do mock-ups. So I want to show you now the one that we just saved, happy and blessed. When we click on it, this is it. So all those images that I shared today in the group were just mock-ups that I worked on. And I'll go over here to my website and I'll load it up and it'll be on here just like this. So when someone places an order, this is the design that I would go ahead and sublimate on the cup or water slide on the cup without having to make the cup. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know. I use Canva and I purchased my mock-ups from Etsy. You can go on Etsy and search for any mock-up, a t-shirt mock-up, a mug mock-up, a planner mock-up, any item that you want to make. You can go on Etsy and try to find a mock-up for it. You will get a downloadable file that you download on your computer and you save it. Once you save it, you're welcome. Once you save it, you upload it into Canva, and then you just create a poster, go to your uploads, bring in your image, your mock-up, and then your design on it. So you see here, I have like a mommy and me set. I have like the shirt with the black pant, with the blue pants and the boots. So I can pretty much pull any of these in and just work on it. So I'm going to show you a mug real quick. So you just have to, and it's just that simple. So I delete all of these here. Delete, come on. Right? And I'll go and say I want to do a mug. Click on my mug. Then I pull it out to size it. All the way across. Then I just scroll back up to my uploads. Find a design that I want to put on it. So say I want to put this here. Oh my God, nobody cares. Put that on there. All you have to do is just size it down. Drag it over to make sure that it's fitting on your mug properly. Or your, your t-shirt or whatever it is that you're mocking up. Put it on there. And that's it. So then you would save this, and this would be a mock-up of your mug of this specific design. So instead of making 1,000 mugs just to show different designs, I just do a mock-up. And this is what I would post on my website or Instagram or Facebook, wherever, displaying this design. And when someone orders it, that's when I'll actually make the physical mug. So then once you have that to your desire, you go right up to the arrow here. You click download. You want to download it as a PNG. And then you click PNG. It loads in here. You click download. It starts to download. And once it's done, I click right here and save as. And then I would go to my folder that I saved my mug mockups in. And I will name it, No One Cares. OMG, No One Cares. Mommy. Just like that. And you click save. And boom, you have your mock-up. It's that simple, guys. So then, once I go here and I go to my folder and I click mug mockups, it's right in here. Beautiful PNG, nice, vibrant, clear, not blurry, awesome way to display products without having to make a bunch of items just to show different styles. Okay, so that's it. Canva, I have the free version. I don't pay. And I get my mockups from Etsy. And of course, I have my files, my SVGs, or my PNG, whatever it is. And I load it in there and just work from Canva, save it, and boom, we're done. Load it up to my website, and then I'll have it here. Okay, if you guys have any more questions about mockup, please let me know. I did share some mockup files in the group, so you are more than welcome to use them, or you can go to Etsy or any other resource that you find reasonable mockups for. I will try to get into possibly making some mockups, but we'll see how that goes. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope this was very, very helpful. You're welcome. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night. I'm going to go out to eat with the kiddos and my mom. And then I'll be back later doing some more work. So I'll be available if anybody has any questions. Okay? All right, guys. See you next time. If I